Hi guys.
Hello!
Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up officially licensed from Wednesday, Joseph
Crackstone!
Okay guys, this is exciting. This guy's really cool. It's fun to set up, really easy actually. He fogs out of his mouth. And yeah. Well, there's always so much tape. Okay, since now all the tape's off, let's open them up. Okay, let's start taking the pieces out. And guys, you know that fire scene when Joseph Crackstone starts that roadie, the thing with all the outcasts on fire? Well, guess what? You want to know how they did it? They started dancing like that, and then the sparks went because they were dancing on metal. Oh, his pants, foam. Okay, then we have arm pulls. We have part of his blaster thingy. Hands, part of his blaster thingy. Leg pull. Another leg pull, I believe. Oh, let's wait for that. Got some waist frame and module. His base. His main part. Right here with his fog hose. And what else do we got in here? Oop. One more thing in here. And yeah, well, that's pretty much all his pieces. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay guys, so that was not a little long of a setup. So he's really cool. I'll give you my review after his demo, so let's do his demo. Okay guys, let's do his demo now.
I will not stop till I've expunged this new world of every outcast, godless creatures. My vengeance will be swift and true.
Okay guys, that was Joseph Crackstone from Lowe's 2024. He is actually really cool. Good detail. He fogged out of his mouth like in the demo you saw. Now I'm gonna ask this lady some questions. How do you like him?
Well, he's pretty cool.
What's your favorite part about him?
Probably when this lights up.
Oh, you like the light here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's cool. My favorite part is probably this fogging feature. That's really cool. And also how his face lights up and his cracks on his face glow. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.